Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 13 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn Tajdeed. What is Tajdeed? We will learn in this lesson. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is tajdeed, what is mushaddad letter, what is mutaharrik letter, and how do we pronounce the mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent. What is tajdeed? The W-shaped sign, this sign is called tajdeed. This W-shaped sign is called tajdeed. What is mushaddad letter? Any letter which has this W-shaped sign on it, that letter is called mushaddad letter. Any letter which has this W sign, this tajdeed sign on it, that letter is called mushaddad letter. And this sign always placed above the letter or top of the letter or on the letter. What is mutaharrik letter? Any letter which has zabar, zir and pesh, that letter is called mutaharrik letter. Any letter which has zabar or zir or pesh, that letter is called mutaharrik letter. Zabar and pesh are placed above the letter or top of the letter, whereas zir is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. How do we pronounce the mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the mushaddad letter twice. First, by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause, holding down slightly. Let's see with example how do we pronounce mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent. This is mushaddad letter because it has W sign on it. This is the mushaddad letter because it has W sign on it. And this is the mushaddad letter because it has W sign on it. And mushaddad letter will be pronounced twice. First, by joining with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. This is the mutaharrik letter because it has harkat zabar on it. And secondly, this mushaddad letter will be pronounced by its own harkat. This mushaddad letter also has its own harkat zabar. This is mutaharrik letter, it has zir below it. This is mutaharrik letter because it has pesh on it. Hamza is mutaharrik here. Hamza is mutaharrik here. Hamza is mutaharrik here. How do we pronounce this mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent? Let's learn with example. Hamza, kaf, zabar, ak, kaf, zabar, ka, akka. Hamza, kaf, ज़ेर एक, काफ ज़बर का, इक्का, हमज़ा काफ पेश उक, काफ ज़बर का, उक्का, अक्का, इक्का, उक्का, अक्का, इक्का, उक्का. Once again, how do we spell? Let's learn. Hamza kaf zabar ak, kaf zabar ka, akka, hamza kaf zir ik, kaf zabar ka, ikka, hamza kaf pesh uk, kaf zabar ka, ukka, akka, ikka, ukka. This is the example of mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent. Thanks for watching. Kindly like this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.